Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. ISMPL official update. Today we are discussing about an existing business opportunity named Infinity Supermart Private Limited. In introduction, Infinity Group is a well-known group of Noida, Uttar Pradesh since 2010, which is involved in many of its traditional businesses such as media, education, real estate, healthcare and many more. In January 2020, Infinity Supermart Private Limited started its operations in healthcare, agriculture, personal care and grocery. Under the excellent business model of network marketing, ISMPL is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company and believes in providing world-class service to all its customers. You can increase your income by promoting business with products to meet wellness, home and all the needs of life. Company's vision and mission. Our vision is, ISMPL aims to provide high-quality products and business opportunities to its customers and distributors. The company with its experienced management and dedicated team has to take it to world-class heights. And our mission is, connecting more than 2 million people by April 2021 and providing them with a world-class business opportunity to inspire people to make positive changes in life, and help others. Let's share the business plan. We, Infinity Supermart P. Limited ISMPL, are pleased that you have chosen the direct selling system adopted by Infinity Supermart. Our aim to provide products that you will be proud to share with others, which are in high demand in the growing anti-aging market. The more sales you make with your team, you can increase your income based on your efforts. How to start a business? Starting your own home-based business is very easy. ISMPL ensures your success at every step. You can join us as a consumer member in our company by registering online on our website and start using our products. After using our products, if you are satisfied and want to stay connected with us to explore the opportunity to sell the products. To become a business associate, you have to follow the simple procedures given below. You have to fill a business association form under the sponsor of the company's existing business associate. If you do not know any business associate, we will introduce you to someone near you. There are no membership, joining fees or expensive investments. To get all the income, you have to buy minimum 2100 business volume (BV) products in a lump sum purchase within 30 days of registration on your ID. Our commitment is to build your future and dream life. Suggested packages. 1. Starter packages Rs 3500. Shop worth Rs 3500. Full value choice products from company site. 2100 business volume. 2. Silver packages Rs 6500. Shop worth Rs 6500. Full value choice products from company site. 3900 business volume. 3. Gold packages Rs 12000. Full value choice products from company site or Big Bazaar shopping worth Rs 15000. 2100 business volume. Power Plus offer. 1. Joining starter package 3500, sponsor 2 direct sale in both legs, 1 left and 1 right within 15 days. Get 20 shopping vouchers worth Rs 500, total cash back worth Rs 10,000. 2. Joining silver package 6500, sponsor 2 direct sale in both legs, 1 left and 1 right within 15 days. Get 20 shopping vouchers worth Rs 1000, total cash back worth Rs 20,000. 3. Joining gold package 12,000, sponsor 2 direct sale in both legs, 1 left and 1 right within 15 days. Get 40 shopping vouchers worth Rs 1000, total cash back worth Rs 40,000. Note: redeem 1 voucher in each sale. OR shop company's products against voucher. Explore the incomes. There is 11 type of exiting bonuses: retail sales, team building bonus, super sponsor bonus, travel fund, bike fund, car fund, luxury car fund, house fund, performance bonus, mentorship bonus, and royalty. Let's know the detailed opportunity. Retail profit. Retail sale is the foundation of the ISMPL compensation plan. As ISMPL business associates, when you sell products to customers, you can earn the difference between distributor price and maximum retail price. For example, each product in ISMPL's portfolio consists of MRP and DP. If a product is Rs 5000 MRP, ISMPL business associates can buy the same product on DP, which is Rs 3500, and resell the same product on MRP and earn Rs 1500. team building bonus. To build a successful business in ISMPL, you must appoint a minimum of 2 business associates to your team, one left and right, who make a permanent effort to build their business and team, ensuring you their income and productivity have an important role to play. As you start building your sales team, you can earn a 15% team building bonus on the business volume of your small team. This bonus is designed to reward you for joining and helping your sales team and selling ISMPL products. Super Sponsor Bonus. As you grow your business and start the growing generation of your network partners in your network, except for your first left A and right B sponsors, all other sponsors are called super sponsors. You will be entitled to 25% super sponsors bonus on the team building bonus of your super sponsors. For example, if you have 10 direct sponsors and all of them have reached the weekly maximum limit to earn team building bonuses, then your super sponsors bonus will be rupees 20 lakhs. Wow. Travel Fund. ISMPL is conscious about the needs of its business associates so that they can go far and enjoy life. When business associates achieve 3,90,000 matching business volume within 45 days of joining, you will be paid rupees 5,000 per month as a travel fund for 6 months. Bike Fund. ISMPL has provided a bike fund to encourage its business associates. Any business associate has achieved 9 lakh matching business volume within 135 days of their joining, will be paid 15,000 rupees per month for 6 months. Car Fund. ISMPL has provided a car fund to encourage its business associates to buy cars. Any business associate who has achieved 30 lakh matching business volume will be paid 30,000 rupees per month for 12 months. Luxury Car Fund. ISMPL has provided a luxury car fund to its business associates to buy the dream car. Any business associate receiving 1 crore matching business volume will be paid 18 months to 70,000 rupees per month. House Fund. To encourage its business associates and to achieve its dream of building a valuable and comfortable home, ISMPL has provided a house fund. Any business associate who has achieved 2.5 crore matching business volume will be paid 24 months as house fund up to 1 lakh rupees 50,000 per month. Performance Bonus. ISMPL offers very rewarding performance bonuses. A business associate has to qualify for the bonus to achieve performance and is entitled to earn the bonus according to the qualifying level. If you are a registered business associate or a customer of ISMPL and introduce us to customers or business associates who purchase certain products from ISMPL, then certain points are generated on every repurchase, called repurchase business volume. For a business associate, the total repurchase business volume points generated by him and his team in a month is called accumulated business volume. To earn this performance bonus, a repurchase business volume must be submitted at the qualification level up to 25% in total 9 ranks. Mentorship Bonus. A membership where a more experienced person guides a less experienced person or group of people. The ISMPL compensation plan actually rewards mentorship efforts made by its business associates or consumer member. To reward your commendable efforts, ISMPL has provided a mentorship bonus. To gain this bonus, you must actively maintain both your left and right teams. You have 2 qualifying teams, Team A on the left and Team B on the right. You will get flat commission on repurchase business volume by your team in the following manner. Here you can get lucrative income opportunity to fulfill your dream. Royalty. Now, you can participate in the growth of this company by regular purchase of products. The company has allocated some percentage from its repurchase business for royalties. Depending on your self-purchase, you will receive the following royalty benefits: 5, 3 and 2%. The given percentage of this slab will be divided among equally qualified business associates. Thank you for watching.